Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to disable the sleep mode, which will prevent your device to go sleep while you are using the GPS Tracks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner and click on General in the settings section. Then you should scroll down and tap on the disable sleep mode option, which will prevent the phone from going to sleep while using the app as it is said. So tap on this button and then it will be turned on automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.